Let's learn fire palm torches with belly dancing, fire safety instruction, and your first burn. Hello, my beautiful belly dancers. Welcome to the Full Circle Phenomenal channel in Cairo, Egypt. We are currently in front of the Great Pyramids of Giza, and I have for you today a tutorial video on fire palm torches, fire safety for beginners, and a first burn experience. This video class is dedicated to all of my students around the world. Let's get started with today's class. Before we begin burning, we'll have to cover fire safety protocol. There are 4 things to consider: what you're wearing, your fueling area, your safety area, and the space that you'll perform in. Let's go through each one of these points in detail, starting with what we're wearing. Let's address the hair first. If it's long like mine, it needs to be kept back or secured. You can dip the tips in water or pull it up into a tight bun or a clip. That keeps it contained and away from the fire. As for your clothes, make sure you're not wearing anything too loose or baggy that could get in the way of the fire, and the material should be mostly all natural fibers like cotton or hemp. An optional bonus I highly recommend, especially for beginners, is Kevlar gloves. You wear these on your arms and they will protect your wrists and arms from the heat of the fire and from the flames themselves. This naturally brings about more confidence and comfort while working with fire. You can see they go all the way up to my elbows. This set is from the Sacred Flow Art website and later embellished with our own patches. Ready to go? Let's cover the next step. The performance area. Look at the space, check for anything overhanging, nothing will obstruct your flow, and on the ground, no trip hazards, we are good to go. Check the direction of the wind before you light up. That way you're aware of where the flames are going to travel. Next, we'll cover the safety station. This is a space you may need to use if you have to put your wicks out early, so have a wet towel or fire blanket, safety cones, a fire extinguisher just in case, and of course an assigned safety person. Say hello to Jessie. It's important that you choose an experienced and trustworthy person. Alright, let's go. Last but not least, we have the fueling station. Got the cones, got the fuel, got the double dip system, and I prefer using these ketchup squeeze bottles for efficiency when fueling. I'll show you that in a moment. We'll pour the fuel over the double dip system. So we have an ammo can and a paint tray to catch any excess fuel, pouring the fuel into the ketchup bottle over the double dip system. Once that's done, we'll immediately secure the fuel, putting the caps on, screwing them down tightly on both of the containers. It's important to note that your fueling station is far away from your performance area and from your safety station. If there are other people in the space, they should be informed of your fueling station so that no fire comes anywhere near here. To fuel the props, hold your torches over the double dip system. I use the squeeze bottle to cover the wicks completely from top to bottom and all the way around until they are almost dripping in fuel. Once they're good and soaked, give them a little tap or shake out inside of your double dip system, or take them far away from the space to shake off any excess fuel. Do a warm-up to harmonize your energy before lighting on fire. Have your safety person light you, especially if it's your first time. Just focus on how the fire sounds, how it feels. Keep the torches moving and keep your breath moving. Remember to relax. This moment is for you. I will now walk you through some moves that you can incorporate into your shows. Arm tracers are a good one for opening a show. Let your body pivot and turn, loosening up. Now let's layer. Lift the arms up and down while shimmying the hips, keeping the arms moving at the same time, mirroring each other. Snake arms is also wonderful here, a split time move, layered with the hips like the taksim. Barrel rolls are also great for turns and for repositioning on the stage. Let's get into some more challenging moves, like the windmill, making flat circles in front of the face and behind the head. Then corkscrews, spiraling a circle above the head and in front of the body. This one works well for hip circle turns in belly dance. Now positioning for hip drops. Notice how my arms are in a diagonal line away from the body. Bring both hands in to meet at the center, switching directions, just like you would without the fire. And you can always incorporate simple holds with other belly dance moves, especially once the fire is less hot. This move is called teacup hands, which is quite hypnotic, especially when incorporating hip movements. This can be done with the hands moving at the same time or in split time, where one moves under while the other moves over. Feel free to play with super simple and natural movements like spinning in a circle. As a first-time fire spinner, it's important to just feel the energy of the fire and keep them moving. With that being said, you don't have to dance until they're completely burnt out. Let's put them out early at the safety station. One torch at a time, place the wick in the middle, fold over once, twice, 3 times, cover with your hands to snuff out the flames. This is where your safety person comes in real handy, either for holding a wick or for putting out. Once it's done, consider it a successful burn. Have gratitude for the experience and take it in stride. The more you practice, the better you'll get. And the more you honor the flame alongside your inner flame, the more it will work with you harmoniously. Gratitude for this beautiful rooftop space overlooking the Great Pyramids of Giza. We are 5.5 years and 26 countries into driving around the whole world. Become a patron or contact us directly to get involved. What was your favorite move today? Comment it below. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and click on these next video links to continue along your practice. I'll see you around the world. Live limitless.